Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to make rainbow eye look easily. So from this palette first I will take this yellow eyeshadow. I will apply this yellow eyeshadow. So I applied the yellow eyeshadow first. Then I will take this orange eyeshadow. And I will apply this orange eyeshadow here. Then I will be taking this pink eyeshadow and I will place this pink eyeshadow here. I will be taking this green eyeshadow. I took this green eyeshadow and I will place it here. So yeah, this is my final look.